Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh. Good morning. First of all, and I'm doing the video on the pre-market today. I wasn't able, promised to set the video yesterday. Didn't get a chance to get around, but definitely doing it right now. Greene Concepts, ticker symbol INKW. I'll call it a B water gang. So I'm a B water because they're labeled by the B water, but looked by the B water, right? So last week, brutal low, trading between 0.015 and 0.018. Yesterday we came the low of 0.005. So not a great week that we had, right? Before I talk on the technical side, definitely I want to share some of the performance we've been doing for the B water, the Greene Concept. But I'm just here to share with you guys what I see, right, and have a plan. Folks, always have a plan when you're trading a stock. If you buy at a high price or a low price, you always want to have a plan before you do that, because you don't want to get being held as a bag holder. If you are willing to do that for holding long purpose, makes sense to do that, but always have a plan, and I want to share the plan that I had, right? So we know the 5-day performance. 5-day will be down by 12.43 for the month. I know it's been a brutal month. We've been down by 24.39%. We up by 15% for the 3-month, and year to date up to over 700. And 1 year is over 933%, right? We know about the Greene Concept that holds a discussion for possible acquisition for a sports beverage line to capture a proportion of 22 billion sports drink market. So we have not get any information. What company kind of stand stone or anything like that. Like, I've done my research, they've been quiet, nothing is flying around for me to look at it. Or if you guys do, please free to share with me and share with everybody. Love to hear your guys' thought. What do you guys think about it? I haven't got anything much on that, so definitely keeping an eye tabs on. But this will be a great news for the company for moving forward. So it could also happen during when the street TV announcement that always happens on the 5 business guests always broadcast, and usually done by the end of the month. So it's something you got to keep an eye. Maybe something is going to show up around that time. I don't know. We'll see on that. If it does, it'll be great news. Let's talk on the technical side. We're going to start with the year to date, 1-day time frame. We talked about our loading area. Yes, folks, we talked about the loading area when we came over at 0.01, and we talked about that pushing becomes a loading. It becomes a loading area, right? So what I'm trying to do, I know that barely you guys can see on the chart, so I'm zooming it out. So for the better purpose, we know the high was 0.15 all the way low, and we came back to the 0.011, right? So a lot of grounds to cover. We talked about this very important sitting at my resist support level was sitting at 0.12, right? And definitely that area that we gotta be low, it becomes a loading zone. Like time and time we came to the price, pushed buyers stepped in, you'll see a volume picked in and pushed the price higher right off, right? Are we approaching that area? Something we gotta keep an eye, folks, right? If it comes back to 0.01, 0.001, right, or even 0.0012, it becomes a loading zone. We'll see the buyer step in and push it out, right? My plan right now, I'm in at 0.001, right? I have an opportunity to sell it around here. I didn't, but I have a plan that if it comes to a certain price, for example, at 0.13, I'm shelling my shares, and so that I can lock some profit, right, and buy it at a cheaper price, right, if it falls to 0.01 again. So this is my plan. I'm sharing with you guys what I'll be doing. It doesn't mean I am selling my shares just because I'm over. I don't believe in this company. It's not that. It is just based on my plan when I'm trading with Greene Concept. Don't want to be stuck as a bag holder or anything like that. But if you are this company, it is has a lot of momentum to do that. The reason I am doing it is one, to buy is block some profit, and also ability to buy shares at a cheaper price, which is I intend to do it, right? This is my plan, because at 0.11 it's every time it comes to 0.11, buyers have stepped in and pushed the price high. Or maybe it's not going to come to play because our MACD, you'll see our bars are getting smaller and then kind of uneven. So volume is not there that I love to see, around 30 million or not around 10 million. So it's something we got to see, because volume predicts price. RSI is on the is about to go on the oversold territory. So that's something we got to keep an eye. We are trading all our moving average. 200 days sitting at 0.16, 0.19, and 0.20 is our 200 EMA. We're trading below our EMAs. It is a downtrend. So that's why I'm sharing with you my plan, that if it drops to a price, I'm going to sell it and load up shares. Because time and time, the buyers have stepped in and pushed the price high, right? And that is my plan, is to get a load of more shares around that time and see if we go test it at the highs of 0.027, right? 6 months, going back to the 6 months too, nothing changed, folks. Nothing changed. Same thing. 200-day EMA sitting at 0.21, 60-day EMA sitting at 0.182, and 20-day EMA sitting at 0.16. We need to and we are trading EMAs are sitting all up here, because they are going to be the resistance and support, right? So I have to actually change this 0.018 as our resistance. It used to be our support. Now it's going to be our resistance level. So we are trading below, right? Nothing is pointing, give us an indication that we are reversal coming. Well, if we start trading above this 20-day moving average, there is this potential signs will be showing us. Right now we're not. So that's something we gotta watch and see moving forward. Well, folks, that's all I have. I hope I shared some of the information with you. I hope you guys liked the video. And please feel free to comment down below. Love to hear guys the thought process, what I'm doing with my shares. Is you think it's the right thing I'm doing it or wrong? I love to hear you guys, your opinion. What do you guys think about it? Please also don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on that notification if you want to be constantly updated on Greene Concept or any other stock that I cover on my portfolio. My apologies, sending the video on the pre-market. Got super busy. My week for 2 weeks has been very brutal with my schedules, but I'm trying my level best to share all my knowledge with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you very much, and for watching the video.